Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I am going to be creating with you guys an inspired embellishment by the new Maggie Holmes collection, Willow Lane. As you guys know, that collection came out recently, just a couple of days ago, and it's all the rave. So when I was looking at some of the embellishments online, I am getting the collection. But as I was looking at the embellishments online, I realized that I can recreate some of them. And I wanted to do a mini series. And I say mini because it's not a lot of things that I want to recreate. There's only like 3 of them. And I'm going to do 3 separate videos on each one. Just trying to figure out how to do another one because it does require sewing. So I might just show you guys without using the sewing machine. But today's video, I'm super excited about it because I actually love these. These are my favorite. And you guys, ta-ta-ta-ta, the waiting is over. I am recreating the threaded bows. You guys, how cute did these turn out? And these are smaller versions as the one that I'm going to show you now. But look how cute, you guys. I packaged them up. And if you guys look at the Willow Lane ones, they look just like these. So I recreated a bunch of them last night. And now I want to share what I did. These are a little bit bigger. You guys, these are so fun to make. Super easy. And then there's this pack. You could even like mix the colors. These are a little bit bigger. Aren't they adorable, you guys? I love them so much. And I think I'm going to make a bunch for me, for my pals. I love them. And I just want to show you guys how easy they are to make. So the only thing you need is obviously a pair of scissors. You need some thread, and let me show you. And I have one that's not in a package so I can show you what it looks like. Look at that. Aren't they fun? Just picture these on your projects, you guys. They would look so adorable. So let's create one. Let's pick a color that I haven't chosen here. Let's do this kind of pink. We're going to use this one. I'm going to be having another video showing what to do with these threads, but I wanted to do this one first. So we're going to do the tiny ones. Smaller ones. Let me get my little guide. Okay. What I do is I take this little card, excuse me, this little card right here, and I put the thread right there, like kind of covering the whole thing, and then I start wrapping as thick as I want my bow to be. I just keep wrapping. I really haven't counted how many times I went around it, but you guys can tell how thick you want your bow. I think that's good. And then what you want to do is you want to cut it. And you want to take it out of the card. All right. And then you're left with something that looks like this. So you're going to bring it down. You're going to cut another piece of string. Not too big. Oops. I need some sharper scissors. And then you're going to put this little thing that you just created, and you're going to make a knot in the middle. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Just tie it right in the center. I like to push it to make sure that it's in the center. And you're going to make a knot, and then you're going to make another knot just to secure it. I do like 3 knots so that it doesn't go anywhere. See that? And our bow is almost done. You see how fast this is, you guys? Then what you want to do is cut the rings. Isn't that super easy, you guys? And you get some cute little bows inspired by the new Maggie Holmes collection. Hopefully you have better scissors than mine. And there's your bow. And then when you see those little extra bits that are sticking out, you trim them off. See that? And there's your little threaded bow. Aren't they adorable, you guys? And super easy. You guys need to definitely go and make some bows, because I think you get like 6 or 8 in her pack, and it's about $6 or $7. And look at this, you guys. You guys can buy these and pick these up for like change and create a bunch of different varieties, different colors, all different kinds of bows. So let me show you guys once again the ones that I created. This is what they look like. And what I did to package them, on the back I just put a little pop dot so that when the recipient gets them, they could just stick it on wherever they want. But you guys, how cute did they turn out? I love them. And look at this one, I did 2 colors. You can do them any size you want. But yeah, you guys, those are my Maggie Holmes inspired thread bows. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. If you guys haven't joined my 5K magical challenge giveaway, definitely do so. I'll have the link down below. And I'll catch you guys on the next episode of Maggie Holmes inspired embellishments. Bye guys.